In this video, I will teach you how to format the names of all of your milestones simultaneously in Microsoft Project. You know, I've got a project that has over 20 milestones, and what I'd like to be able to do is automatically format the task name of each milestone using the red font color and the italics font style. Is there a way to do this automatically for every milestone name? Well, you bet there is, and in this video, I'll teach you how to do it. So let's get started. In this sample construction project, I've got a bunch of milestones. Let me show you how many I actually have. To do this, I'll go to the View tab to display the View ribbon. Then I'll click the Filter Pick List button and choose the built-in Milestones filter. Oh, wow, would you look at this? I've got a whole bunch of milestones. What I'd like to do is automatically format every one of them with the red font color and the italics font style. Here's how to do that. Click the Gantt Chart Format ribbon tab to display that ribbon. At the left end of the ribbon, click the Text Styles button to display the Text Styles dialog. In this dialog, click the Item to Change Pick List at the top and select Milestone Tasks. In the Font Style section, choose Italic, and then in the Color Pick List, select Red in the Standard Colors section. When finished, click the OK button, and look at that. Every milestone is automatically formatted with the red font color and the italics font style. By the way, if I add any additional milestones to this project in the future, they will be automatically formatted the same way. Here's a bonus for you. What if we made the milestone symbols here in the Gantt chart screen red diamonds as well? Here's how to do that. Double-click anywhere in the white part of the Gantt chart screen to display the Bar Styles dialog. In the dialog, select the item called Milestone. Then, in the Bars section down at the bottom, in the Start section on the left, click the Color Pick List button, choose Red in the Standard Colors section, and click the OK button. There, now all of the milestone symbols are formatted in red as well. And here's another bonus for you. If I display the Gantt with timeline view, you can very clearly see that I've got a series of milestone callouts below the timeline view. I'd like to format all of them with the red font color and the italics font, and to do it automatically. Here's how. First, click anywhere in the timeline pane to activate it. Then click the Timeline Format ribbon tab to display that ribbon. In the Timeline Format ribbon at the far left end, click the Text Styles button to display the Text Styles dialog. In the Text Styles dialog, click the Item to Change Pick List button and select Milestone Name. In the Font Style section of the dialog, select the Italic item, click the Color Pick List button, and once again choose Red in the Standard Colors section. When finished, click the OK button. All of the milestone callout names have now been formatted with red font color, italics font style, and if I were to add any additional milestone callouts, they would be formatted automatically the same way. Hey, thanks for watching my video. If you found this video to be helpful, I'd encourage you to share it with your friends and colleagues. And if you have a question, please leave it in the comments section below and I'll get back to you to answer your question. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.